number 2, you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 so on. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 or without actual division, long division? If so, how? Okay. Now come to the solution. Generally, they are given 1 by 7 value. Suppose you want to find out the 2 by 7 value. What we will do? 2 into 1 by 7. 3 by 7 means 3 into 1 by 7. Like that we can find the values. Okay, now I will take 1 by 7. What is there given? 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 and so on. So these numbers are repeating. This you can write, what we can write? This is 0.142857 bar. Okay, now if you want to find out the 2 by 7 without doing anything, so what we will do? 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7 and 2 times of 0.142857 bar, so on. Now here without multiplying also you can do the value. Actually we have what we have to do? Multiply with 2. Instead of that we can write directly the value. How it is? Seriously you can observe here. 2 7 ja 14. Last digit is 4. What does it mean? 2 times of 7 14. Last digit is 4. So last digit will get 4. Here you can observe in this decimal, after 4 what we have? 2857. Now take 0.2857. 2857. Come to first. 1 after 4. 1 4. Listen carefully. If you want to multiply with 2 means you can multiply in generally. Otherwise, directly if you want to write the value, what you have to multiply? First you can see 2 into 7. 2 7 ja 14. 4 is the last digit. So after last digit, here I am putting here 4 last digits. What is next after the 4? 2857. You can write 0.2857. Come to first. Next one is 1, then 4, like this. Now you can take the bar here. Now similarly 3 by 7. 3 into 1 by 7. Generally 3 into 0.142857 so on. Generally we have to multiply with 3. Even though it will take some time to multiply with 3. Instead of that, directly you can put it the value. So 3 7 ja 21. Last digit is 1. Last digit is 1. 1 after what you will getting? 0.1 after what? 42857. Come to first again. 1. This is the value. Now come to 4 by 7. 4 into 1 by 7. That means 4 into 0.142857 and so on. Okay. Now 4 7 ja 28. Last digit 8. So 0. What is 8 after? 5 7. Come to first. 1428. 1428. Take the bar. Now come to 5 by 7. 5 into 1 by 7. Generally we have to multiply. Without multiply we are writing here. 5 into 0.142857 and so on is equal to 5 7 ja 35. Last digit is 5. 5 after what? 7. 0.7. Come to first. What is first? 14285. 14285. This is take the bar. Now last 6 by 7. 6 by 7. 6 into 1 by 7. 6 into 0.142857 857, so on. This 6 7 ja 42, last digit is 2. So what is after 2? 857. 0.857, come to first, 142. 142. Take the ball. Here you can observe without multiplication. Actually what their meaning is, 1 by 7 they have given, you have to multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Even also by easy calculation you can observe, so where you will get the values.